What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over another day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this. Let me take a quick sip of the last bit of this Cuban coffee that I have. My wife just brought me. This is a shot glass, but it's what we use for Cuban coffee. It's a Goofy one. It's like legitimately, this is Goofy. Did you guys know that Goofy was a cow and not a dog? Yes, I was like this old when I found that out. And I refuse to believe it. Goofy will forever be a dog. What was he to you as you were growing up? Because to me, he was a dog, but clearly, like, go Google it if you want. He's a cow. I don't understand how that works. But today, it's a nice little green day. Nice little green day for me here, and sitting pretty happy with it. Wish I would have had a little bit more. Oh, here you could. Oh, well, that kind of spoils it. I was in at 1743 out of 1888, but I don't want you guys seeing it because then you're not going to watch throughout the video, and I'm not going to make that YouTube bank so I can get my Lambo. I mean, how? No, let's just move that along. You don't want to see that. We'll show you the realized gain at the end. Now, but you already saw it. Took over $1 a share there per contract. So I traded options today on Tesla, and it was a nice little planned out trade. It worked out perfectly fine. If I would have had 2 contracts, I would have made more money. But Tesla can be mean, and I'm coming off of the back of yesterday's fiasco user error, right? Because if you haven't seen yesterday's video, you have to go watch yesterday's video. Yesterday's video, I was clicking the wrong thing. And when I thought I was selling, I was actually buying more, and I ended up with double size position. And while the loss wasn't catastrophic in any way, it could have very well been had I not traded, continued to trade it properly and let emotions get the best of me. I did come back with follow-up trades and, made a good chunk of it back, but it still was kind of a garbage day. But today came in, said, you know what, we're going to come in. Yesterday didn't happen. We're just going to come in, trade the plan, be safe as we always are, and try to get that base hit. Try to get that base hit. Every day I come in, try to look for that base hit. If I capture a base hit, great. If I get a double, a triple, or a home run, even better. If I strike out and it's because I was wrong, well, it's okay. Next day, the next trade is right around the corner. So came in looking for that, and I was looking at various things today. I was looking at some small caps. Some small caps were gapping up really big. Like, here you go. Let me get this gappers list over here. Come on. I don't know why my computer does this. There we go. Gappers list. So you had XRF. Let me get you the 5-minute chart so you can see a little bit better. Big gap up, big. This one was just underneath $1, and it went all the way up to $3. Like, this was a monster. These are my trade ideas, scanners, and charts. Link in the description section below, along with the 15% off coupon code. And CPSH, I had this one on watch too. Okay, let's see here. Come up. Computer's acting a little slow this morning. There we go. CPSH had this gap up as well, from $1.50 range, and it went up as high as $2.25. Nice little red, like a little red to green move here, almost, but complete fail. Look at this dump fest. Excuse me, guys. And then lastly, MDGS. I tweeted my watch list this morning. If you don't follow me on Twitter, make sure to check out the links in the description section below to Twitter. You can follow me there. I tweeted the watch list, and these were on my watch list. These are old lines I actually had drawn on here, but nothing else for me there on these small caps. Now, on the larger caps, I was watching Tesla. I was watching Shop, which, there you go. Shop absolutely crushed earnings this morning, and they did really, really well. And I thought, we'd get either some big profit taking come out or a big pop. And I was watching it this morning, but as you can see, very choppy action, like super choppy. We had this one big pop, then chop. Now finally we had a clean move. But even that, I mean, it's hard to, to jump in here, all right? It's hard to trust this and jump in here after you see all this chop. This is a brand new high day with a complete retrace all the way back down here to this consolidation area. It makes it really hard to think that's gonna hold and maybe, you know, so no trades for me on it. Like I stopped watching it, I believe right in here. I got tired of watching the chop fest, so the chop on shop, couldn't resist, and stopped watching it there. Then I was watching Boeing as well, and I was looking for Boeing, you know, to the short side, but it was also very choppy in the early morning action right here. Look at this. Like, we're going to go green. No, we're going to go red. Then we finally go green. Then we go right back down to red. You know, maybe could have jumped in short here in front of this VWAP and caught this real nice dump. But I don't know. It's just kind of, it was kind of difficult, right? So then I was like, okay, well, let's see what else is popping off. I don't think I was watching Roku today. No. Tesla. So Tesla was cleaner in a sense because we opened up and we immediately just pulled it in. We pulled it all the way in down here and we bounced off of that area. Okay, this is yesterday's action. So you can expect some support in this area, and that's exactly what we got. So that's what I decided to trade. So once I saw that, I was like, okay, let me hone in on this because everything else is extremely choppy. So let's see if we can get an opportunity here. So now I do have one live trade recorded here for you that we're going to go over. Now, but before we do move further into that live trade, do me the quick favor, guys. Smash the like button for me. Comment in the comment section below. Either let me know what you traded, say hi, or let me know if you were surprised by that whole goofy little like knowledge bomb I dropped for the day. So you can go ahead and drop that in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're going to do a free giveaway where I'm going to give away one lucky subscriber a totally free funded trading account. Okay, so we're going to do that once we get to 10K. And we're almost there, guys. We're already well above 6,000, so we're well on our way. I think we're going to get there pretty quickly. So I'm really happy and anxious about that. Also, remember, link in the description section below. You have 2 opportunities there, so you can get a total of 3 free stocks. First is free trade. That all you have to do is open up an account and you're gonna get a free stock. One of the stocks that I got, the best one I've gotten for free from them was BYND. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you can see it. BYND. I ended up selling that one for over $100, so that was really nice. And Webull, you download the app. Oh yeah, on free trade you don't have to fund the account. Just open up an account and you're good to go to get your free stock. With Webull, you have to fund your account with $100. You're gonna get 2 free stocks. Could be valued between $1,200 to $1,400. All right, so make sure you check those out. Those are 3 free stocks. So you can get your 3 stocks, sell them, then go have yourself a real nice steak dinner. Now Tesla here, right now is actually looking pretty decent here. If volume can increase for an attempt up to at least up here 777, maybe up high day. But we're gonna go ahead and see what I traded here. Let me grab my live trade recording. And here we go. Okay. So notice how I waited for all of this to happen, right? Now, let me get you the daily on Tesla so you can see, whoops, what I was eyeing. Here we go. So Tesla pulled it in right here to this line. This line is this top, this bottom, this bottom, this top, and right here in this top zone, okay? That's that 760 area. We pulled in today and we bounced off of the 766 area, which is yesterday kind of like this congestion zone, okay? This is only a 1-minute trade, very fast trade. So I jumped in there, just one call. Okay, 775 call. It had the best volume at 1743. And I jumped in when we were like down here somewhere, right in front of this VWAP zone. So now what my plan is very simple. I'm looking for it to tap break this higher day zone. Okay, basically just break over the red to green move. Why? Because it's simple. Tesla was red yesterday, short, very heavily shorted stock. It dumps at the open. Anybody could have added to their short. I'm looking for people to start covering their positions because this zone held as support. So I'm not looking for a huge extension move. I'm just looking for a quick little pop. You can see it's kind of trading in this zone from yesterday. So I'm not looking for a huge move. I'm looking for a quick little pop, short cover. And, oh, look, remember what I was telling you? There it is. Look at that. Look at that move. Increase in volume right here. You can see it. Would have been nice. Should have taken that trade right here while we were going over the recap. But it's okay. Let's get back to it. So I'm looking for this zone to be tested and broken. And then I'm going to take profit off right there. I'm already in the profit. Oh yeah, for those of you who haven't noticed, I was able to fix this montage. So now I don't have to deal with that garbage that caught me yesterday. I'll do a video on how to do that. That's the whole thing. So I put out a profit target there, but I start to notice that, volume is looking like this is going to be big and it's going to probably break out. So I cancel it. Look, my order's there on the ask. I quickly cancel it. Come on. I quickly cancel it. And then I go back to market because, that's how I stop out. And I'm looking to see if we're going to break. I think we're going to break. So I think I'm like, okay, you know what? We're going to hold this. And I think we're going to break and we're going to be able to take a little bit more profit off the table here. Look at this volume. See, I was right. Volume starts to increase. And my thought process is very simple. Volume is increasing. We're in the face of the open price. Okay. This is all congestion from yesterday as well. That could be resistance. Shorts are starting to feel uncomfortable. It's Tesla. This thing can rip. So I'm like, I like this. I like this. I think we can break the high. I tried to get ready to put my limit order out. Volume is increasing. You can see volume is bigger now. There we go. We get that first pop right there. First pop right through. New highs. We're going off at 1960. Okay, I'm in from 1743. I'm not going to say that I wasn't a little greedy. I am a little greedy. I'm looking to see if we're going to break this and get one of those huge Tesla candles like this one. Maybe another follow-up one. It could very well happen. I could be selling this contract up at 25 bucks from 1743. Boom. But that's not what happens. Right there, I take it off. And I take it off at 1888, make $1.40 something. So up $140 and change, like almost 150 bucks on the day. And I'm not even mad about it because right after that, this is what happens. See, this is the candle I sold into. We caught a quick little pop here that went up to like 20 bucks, right? I could have made extra money there, but I wanted to play it safe because I know what I'm trading. And look at this, boom, all the way back down to like my entry. So I'm not mad at all. See, you can look at that drop. That little bounce right there into VWAP could have been an entry for a short. Because the very next candle taps it and dumps. So see right here, we pierce and then boom, all the way down to new lows. Put right here would have been money. But that's it, guys. Very simple trade. And as you can see, the one that I was telling you about right when we started recording this worked out as well for a quick, and like I said, 778, boom, 778 area, 776, 778 area. I didn't expect it to go all the way up here. But a quick little trade could have been had there. A couple $100 could have been made easily right there. So that's it, guys. That's what I traded today. Let me know how you did. Hope you're having an excellent Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Yes, it is. Hope you're having an excellent Wednesday. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next one.